Hi, this is Rankup SEO Audit for Networkingbizz.com website, and we have completed the report. And after analyzing, we found few issues and a lot of improvements that we can able to do to grow your traffic, rank more keywords, and yeah. Let's get started with domain age. We have our 8 years old, 3 months domain, which is good. And if you as usual, the domain authority is 21, which need to be improved, because if you compare your competitors, which we found three good competitors with the same service they provide in your country, and they have like 16 years, 18 years domain age, and also they have a good number of domain authority and a lot of backlinks they built, and their ranking keywords are really good. you know they are focused on improving their grow organic traffic. So you should consider checking out these sites, so you'll get some ideas on how they are doing it, and find their local SEO strategy. And yeah, so we need to add IDA backlinks, and also good authority backlinks from EDU government websites, and a lot of local citation profile links, classified sites links. So this can improve your authority. Authority means Google trusts you more. So the more score you get, the Google will love you more. So focus on that. And domain rating is good, so you don't need to worry about it. And coming to the backlink audit, we have 2% of spam link in our total backlinks. And since it is a local service business, we have to focus on local SEO strategy, because we the thing is, it's wrong to focus on you can do whatever the links you can build so you can rank. No, that's not going to happen. So Google knows your site better than anyone. So you have to focus on a lot of guest, local uh, backlinks from classified sites, forums, blog comments, guest posts, profile links. So focus on that. It will improve your other keyword ranking and get you traffic you wanted. And we have over of 600, 700, nearly 700 referring domains with the DA, almost out of 750 referring domains. Out of that, 600 domains are below 20 DA, which means the quality of these domains are very less. So it is not giving you much boost you need. That's what it's mentioned here. And yeah, the another issue, uh, we we have currently a lot of backlinks point to this keyword. I don't know why it is, and it is not at all related to your service. So you have to focus on your brand keywords, link backlinking more. So Google will know that you guys doing this kind of business, right? So it's important to have a proper anchor text, work on your backlinks based on that. So it will create your brand awareness, and it's easier for customers to find. Okay, and yeah, we have 80% of links are do follow, so this is good, and 9% of referring domains with a high spam score in our backlinks. So here is the list of spam links domains, and the spam scores here. So you just have to add it in a dispo file, update to Google. So this will remove the spam score from your website and keep it clean. And yeah, as I said, focus on classified forum links, profile links, and work on your local SEO strategy to improve your brand visibility. And yeah, this is a spam score backlinks score. Okay, next is website security. We do not have any security issue currently, so that's good. Coming to the website performance, and this is huge issue. We have desktop and mobile scores. Both have very poor scores, and as I said, you have a cache plugin, but it is not configured properly. you don't have CDN, your image is not optimized well, and the themes and plugins are not updated to the current version. That's These things will create a lot of issues on performance level, because since you have a lot of pages, subdomains, and it will create more issues on ranking your keywords. Google consider those sites loading slow, means it is not good user experience. So you have to make sure it loads faster. So please do optimize your pages, minimize your CSS, JavaScript, and lazy load. Improve your image load function. Add CDN that can help you boost your performance, and both for the mobile as well. And please convert your current images from JPEG to latest format, WebP or AVF. And yeah, same thing here. So work on this performance part, because it's very vital to grow your traffic faster. Next is front end. You have a well designed professional landing page. The thing is, we have a space issue. I can show you here. See, you have it here, but see, the space is very tight. All the elements are very close together, so it looks bit uh, too much for the users to focus on. If you give a space, people will take time and spend on that section. So, here, see, you have a lot of icons here, and this one has it. And here, little bit of extra space, like 60 points or 70 points will be do well between these gaps. And and one more thing, I found that you have a lot of customers serving. Sure, you have a good success rate. I So use that, add a case study and show what you have improved. How did you help your customers? Like this, here's a sample. See here, these guys put it like, how much they improved their members, and how much improved their repeat customers, and how much time it took for them to improve. So same thing for this as well. See, it's good, showing the proof. These are all like lead magnets that we need to use for service websites. So it will help you to convince your users. And next point, while talking about the benefit of your service, we can add more emphasis on section. Yeah, this one I really want to focus on it, because this one you're saying why it is valuable your services are. So try to change this format, make it look good, you know, uh, you know, comfortable viewing, you know, something like that. See, they keep it here in the center after the hero page, because you have show the benefit, what you're getting as a user. I want to know what I will be getting it, from your service. So you have to emphasize this part, show it, some good font, keep it clean and neat with you can show like these kind of proofs. It will help you. I'm sure you have this icons, but still doesn't help me better much. But this one, I can able to understand, I can read more, know better. And here's one more thing. See this one, it is not aligned properly. This row, it is not aligned properly. It's bit down. So focus on that. You have a lot of icons. It has to be properly aligned. See, and another thing, I see is you have a lot of reviews in your futures page, in your packages section. Why don't you use those video testimonials and you know reviews here, add it in your homepage, because this is land first, right? and it will help them to know, it will give them a assurance that yeah, these people got results, so I can able to get results as well. So focus on adding this section in your homepage and this one as well, portfolio section as well. It's very useful keeping it in homepage. And you can also take your page separately and contact us page separately, because you're missing that. As I told you in the last previous site as well, it is good for SEO. So you need to have this contact us page. And also we have a very legal pages missing. It's important to have these pages because you're providing service. It's important to make sure you have proper legal pages updated, keeping it in footer or somewhere you want it better. Usually footer is the best place. And as I said, add your portfolios in homepage. Yeah, here in the futures section, I see the pricing page you have right now is looks like a listing, not a table, which is bit, you know, uh, bad user, as a as a user myself. I don't want to scroll this section, right? I don't want to see small fonts and I have to scroll everything, then I have to go get started. And here same thing, here same thing. As a user, you think about it, you have to make it easier for them to compare these packages. Give it as a table, three table comparison. I think you did well here in, I think, packages section. I saw you provided pricing table in a clean layout, so that can help easily for to design. So see what I'm talking about. See, this one is really good, brilliant way of showing comparison what you will get for the each package. So keep this same layout there as well, so it will be easier for them to people to decide. Yeah, because the decision making timing is very less when it comes to users. They take very few minutes to decide once they enter your website, so you have to give them a lot within very few minutes. So just show this kind of comparison chart instead of that list. Yeah, and you can add live chat. It's easier for to reach your customers. And booking section, yeah, the booking page. Think here. Sorry, wrote a speech here. Who and YS page, the booking form is not aligned centered. It's too left, bit awkward looking. See here, just here, keep it center. Yeah, and blog, as I said, you didn't utilize the blog section because your articles rank faster because it has content. Google loves content. So the more blog you add, the more keywords you'll rank, and you have to utilize this sidebar because people will come to read this blog. Also notice this section because it's empty space. We don't want to waste this opportunity, right? So you can able to keep them engaged with another page. If they click, they can go to the next page and see their your packages and everything. So utilize that page as well. And next is backend issue. Plugins and themes need to be updated. I see theme is still the old, so you just need to update it. So make sure your performance is good and your SEO is good. And yeah, we checked your redirect errors here. console and simple issues because looks like you have changed your URLs somewhere some time ago here maybe. uh, this is where your URLs started grow, your redirect errors grew. And here is it. So these URLs are, are not a big issue. And some of the URLs have you know old URLs which you have to update in your website, using redirect plugin that will fix this issue. And also you have a 404 issue here, because you, as I said, somewhere you moved your site, or somewhere you change your URLs. These URLs shows 404 error in your website. That's not good. That's really bad for your SEO. It considers a bad SEO, and Google hates it. So it should not show like this. So just here, I have 404 errors. Just go to each URL and redirect to the specific page. You know, so that will be fix this issue, because you should not have these kind of issues coming. It's bad for your SEO. This is why you're not ranking enough. You're getting a lot of impression overall, but the traffic is very poor. Sorry, I'm being transparent, but it's good for your growth. So once you fix this, lot of growth you can able to expect. And yeah, another thing is excluded no in text tag. What is this? In the rank math, you have a rank math SEO plugin where you added tags as a no index. This is why it shows errors. All you have to do, just index, put index, change it here, and it will fix the, once it is done, just submit the sitemap here. That's it. It will fix your issue. And blocked by robot. And these URLs are very old URLs. It's not. It's redirecting to your new URLs as a check, so it doesn't affect your site right now. But you can able to, check once again and check if it is redirects or not, because you have a very sorry, high number of redirect issue, blocked by no index, I mean robot text bot. So just check it, and if it is not redirecting, put it in redirecting. If it is not useful, or if it is a old URL, just remove it here. You can remove it here. Okay, remove your URL from search engine. That will fix your issue. And crawled but not indexed. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one, we checked, and all the users are good. All you have to do is click, just inspect it, and that's it. See, it's there. It's already indexed, but Google is not updated. So you just have to click each URL and inspect, give the index. So inspect, then it will automatically get indexed in Google. Nothing else you need to do here. Just click the inspect tool. It will get indexed, and these issues will be fixed. And yes, one more thing is, just fix your rank math plugin. It is not configured properly. If you want, I can able to help you as well. No problem. But it is not configured right, and it should be fixed. Content issues, yeah, we have found 30% of pages have duplicate content, but it's not a big issue. But still, if you can have, because I know you have a lot of subdomain pages and inner pages as well. Those pages have same kind of content and images, so it's bit too you know repetitive. And try to minimize those issues. And blog articles, we check the blog articles. Most of them are written by AI tool, and Google does not love this kind of content, and that's why it's considered spam. And the more you add, the more spam you'll get. So try to update this as soon as possible. Don't have it. A lot of people says AI content is good, but as I as I'm in this industry, I do use AI, but I never publish it in my website because it just what AI tool does is it just copy it from other website and give you the result. So at the end of the day, you're just copy pasting it. So try to fix it. And SEO wise, it's not in post section and pages section. Focus keywords and meta description are not updated properly. Please do add more focus keywords in rank math section in the articles, and metadata as well. It has to update. Uh, Yeah, as I said, you have a good impression, but the basic optimization, SEO optimization, on-page optimization is missing. And focus on the right content. Use proper keywords in your blogs, your pages, and fix your Google search engine search console issues like 404 and pages with redirect issues. That will help you a lot. And so focus on your performance as well. No broken link found. That's good. And your images doesn't have all text. I mentioned in the last site, in the previous site as well. You have to keep image SEO good. So Google will know what kind of service, what kind of page it focus on. So adding your all text and description with your focus keyword, your title will help you a lot. Yeah, focus on your local SEO keyword research. Don't go too broad. Focus on each state. You can focus on each state and research these services, find keyword that's ranking well. Focus on update in your pages as well. And you have a lot of spam comments. Please do check and remove. This will slow your performance, and also sometimes you'll get spammy links as well. And one more thing is, you don't have service schema or portfolio schema, which is bad because it is a basic SEO thing that we need to add it in any site. And this is why I said you didn't configure it properly in rank math, so you don't have any schema installed. So it's very important to add it. And local sitemap is already installed, so that's good. So overall, here I can say that basically focus on your fixing your Google search console issues first. Then next, focus on your website performance, and move on to the fixing your AI generated content, duplicate contents. Then you go for backlinking work and update your sitemap properly, and this will get you lot of improvement in your traffic. Index lot of your organic keywords because you have good content, lot of pages, and properly you have a lot of clients as well. So you can able to reach more people if you follow this methodology. Keep it properly. And also, you don't have any social media links here somewhere, and you're a digital media company. You should be present in social media. Keep it somewhere, right? It's very important. And yeah, that's it. And overall, it's good. You have a good number of improvement that you can able to. And we'll send you the report and you can check it out. And know if let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. And thanks for your time. Yeah, have a great day.